Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C face toner. This powerful product helps brighten your complexion and provides antioxidant protection. It's a fantastic step to incorporate into your daily skincare routine for a radiant glow. Using it correctly ensures you get the most out of its beneficial properties, preparing your skin for subsequent treatments. Let's dive into the details. First, ensure your face is clean and dry. Next, pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad. You only need enough to dampen the pad, not soak it. Then, gently swipe the pad across your entire face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. This step helps remove any remaining impurities and balances your skin's pH, preparing it for the next steps in your routine. For the best results, incorporate vitamin C toner into both your morning and evening skincare routines. After toning, apply your preferred serum and then a moisturizer to lock in hydration. In the morning, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from sun damage, especially when using active ingredients like vitamin C. When using vitamin C toner, avoid overexfoliating your skin with other harsh products, as this can cause irritation. Always do a patch test on a small area first to ensure no adverse reactions occur. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results. Also, for staying hydrated throughout your day, check out the link in the description for a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Your skin will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.